I got PS5 controller and this controller from Beaver. It's a pro controller and I never seen this company before. So the issue is left stick have some issue. Let's fix it. They have one screw here is underneath this warranty stick. Just be careful. They have cables here, it's connected here. Oh, they have no ribbon cable for the mic. Hey Justin, why you don't put the ribbon cable? Oh, also they have something missing here. Who know what is that? Leave a comment. No ribbon cables also here, only on the left side. I cannot work without disconnect these two cables. I disconnect all the cable, now I can work. Alright, so I only change this part because this part only have issue. Just see the joint here. I like this tool from Casey. It's make the joint perfect. Let's install the new part. Everything look like great. Let's return all the parts back and test. All the cables back. It's time to test, and as you can see, it's perfect. The controller is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.